In this class, we are going to understand about operators in Python. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that performs a specific operation on operands. Operands can be either variables or what? Constants. For example, we write one expression here, x plus 5. So here x and 5 are called as what? Operands, and this plus symbol is called as what? Operator. Okay. So this plus operator performs addition operation on what? X and 5. Okay. Like this, we have different types of operators in Python. Okay. Let me show you first of all what are the different types of operators that exist in Python. First one is what? Arithmetic operators. Second one is assignment operators. Third one is comparison operators. Fourth one is logical operators. Fifth one is identity operator. And sixth one is membership operator, ternary operator, seventh one, and finally bitwise operators. Okay. Now we are going to understand one after the other. First one is arithmetic operators we are going to understand. So these operators perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what? Division. How? Let me explain all these operators one after the other. Okay. So first let me show you here something like what ideally the Python ideally I am going to open here, and here I am going to explain this particular examples. Let me show you the examples. Okay. For example, a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 6, assume. Okay. So what is a plus b answer you will get here? It is, that is what? 21. Okay. 15 plus 6 is 21. Similarly, a minus b, a multiplied by b. Now I am going to explain from here the division operator, then the floor division operator, modulus, and this one. This is what very important to understand. Okay. Let us assume a divided by b. What is the answer of a divided by b? That is what? 2.5. So how it is calculated? Let me show you now, please. Let me show you these operators. Okay. Let me go with this particular board. Okay. Let me take here. Let us take the board here itself. Otherwise, okay. On this only I am going to show you. Okay. So what is the a value we have taken? A is equal to, that is what? 15, and b is equal to 6. Then what is the value of a divided by b? That is nothing but 15 divided by 6. Okay. So how many times it goes? 6 to the 12. Okay. How much left? It is 3. Then now we put a point and put a 0 here. 6 5 is 30. Nothing but 30. This is what? 0. So this value is called as quotient, and this is called as remainder. Okay. So what does the division operator do generally? Okay. This division operator gives the quotient of two numbers. Quotient of two numbers. How much? The answer is 2.5. Okay. Now let us consider. Now there is one more operator called as what? Floor division. So in the case of floor division, what happens is this floor division also gives the quotient, but only the integer part it is going to give. Now it is not going to give the decimal part. This is the difference. Okay. So floor division operator gives only the integer part of quotient. Okay. Whereas the normal division operator will give you, okay, the quotient including decimal points. This is the difference. Okay. Right. Now what if I am going to write what? Now let me show you first of all this one. That is okay, a divided by b, you got 2.5. Then a floor division b, now you got only 2. Okay. Now I am going to explain about what? Modulus operator, please. Okay. This modulus operator I am going to explain. Modulus operator will give the remainder of two numbers. Okay. Let me show you what happens with the remainder. So a modulus, okay, a modulus b. Let's say that. Press enter. This is what? 3 we got the remainder. How we got this 3 remainder? Let us understand here. So what if I am going to write here? Right. Let me say that. So I am going to write, this is what the calculation I am performing, that is 15 modulus, let me write once again please here. What is a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 6, let's say. Okay. Now a modulus b I am writing. So how we can calculate? A divided by b only. So that is nothing but 15 divided by b. B is nothing but 6. So how many times it goes? 6 to the 12. And how much left is 3. This leftover value is called as remainder. Okay. Now in the case of modulus operator, don't put here decimal points. Here this is the leftover value is called as remainder. Okay. Now the division operator, the modulus operator will give you what? the remainder. What's the remainder is 3. So 15 modulus 6 is what? 3. That is what we got the answer here. Okay, this is what the remainder. Okay, fine. Next, what the other operator that we are going to discuss is, here it is double star. This is called as exponential or power operator, what we call as. Now what do you mean by this? Let me show you here, please. Let me directly write the values. 2 power 3, that is nothing but 2 to the power of 3, that is what? 8. So 2 to the power of 3, that you get the answer. Okay, let's say that 5. Okay, 5 to the power of 5, that is what? Okay, 3 1 2 5. Like this we can calculate n to the power of m, n to the power of m by using the double star. Okay, so these are arithmetic operators that we have completed. Now we are going to understand about what? Assignment operators. Okay, now what are these assignment operators? This is a combination of, these operators are the combination of assignment operator and arithmetic operators. Okay, so generally when you come to the is equal to is called as what? Assignment operator. Okay, it is called as assignment operator, which assigns the right hand side value to the left hand side variable. Okay, let me show you the example here. Suppose if you write like this, okay, a is equal to 10. So this right side, this is what we call as, see, let me show you. Assign the right hand side value to the left hand variable. So this is what? RHS. Okay, right hand value is assigned to left hand. Okay, left hand variable. So like this, the 10 is assigned to A. So this is what we called as, this is equal to is called as assignment operator. So this assignment operator assigns right side value to left side variable. Okay, left side should be compulsory variable, right side can be anything. Okay, this is what assignment operator. Now the combination of, please, the combination of assignment operator and these particular arithmetic operators is called as assignment operators. Okay, let me say that this is also called as compound assignment operators, also we can call it as. Okay, compound, okay, assignment operators also we can say. Okay, let us understand how this can be used. See, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, multiplication is equal to. Okay, let me explain this particular operators. Assume a is equal to, okay, 10 and b is equal to, let me say that what? 4. Assume. Okay, now a and b I would like to add, and the result I want to store in what? A only. Therefore, how can I write the formula to calculate this particular thing? How can I write the formula? That is simple. A is equal to a plus b you will write. So this is a is 10 and b is 4. 10 plus 4 is what? 14, which is assigned to what? A. Okay. Now we can also write this particular thing, or the short form of this particular formula I can write it like this. A plus is equal to b, I can write it, no problem. Okay, so what happens here? It is a is how much? Actually 10, b is how much? 4. First of all, it will be added. Okay, this 10 and the 10 and 4 will be added first. Here addition calculation will be performed on this a and b. So first of all, plus is going to execute. So on a and b the plus is executed, which is 10 and 4 is what? 14. Then this 14, next this assignment operator will be executed, means the result will be again assigned to a only, the left hand side variable. Okay, so like this, this is nothing but short form of this particular equation. Okay, similarly I can also give you some other example, more example like this. Okay, sum, okay, is equal to, let me write from here, otherwise sum is equal to sum plus I. So how can I write this particular thing? This I can write sum plus is equal to I. This is what, how can I write? Similarly, how can I write like fact is equal to fact multiplied by j? How can I write short form? That is fact, what's the operator is? Multiplication. Multiplication is equal to j. Like this we can write. Okay, so instead of writing this big expression we can write simplified form by using arithmetic operators. Is it okay? Fine. So this is what we call as assignment operators. Okay, let me show you the examples here. For example, this particular let me write a is equal to 10. Okay, then b is equal to 4. So what I can write? A plus, okay, is equal to b. Therefore, what is the A value is 14. Okay, first of all, A10 plus 4 is 14. 14 is assigned to A, like this 14. Clear? So like this it is going to be assignment operators. Fine. Next we are going to understand here comparison operators, or what we call as relational operators. Okay, this we understand in the next class better. Okay,